Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using synthetic division. So let's have our example. Let's divide 3x squared plus 7x minus 5 and x minus 3. So let's use synthetic division in performing our operation. So in dividing polynomials using synthetic division, our first step is for us to equate our divisor by 0. So our divisor is x minus 3. So let's equate it to 0. Then let's solve for the value of x. So let's transpose negative 3 to the other side of the equation, giving us positive 3. So our x is equal to positive 3. That will serve as our divisor. So 3 is our divisor. For our dividend, we will copy the coefficient of our polynomial 3x squared plus 7x minus 5. So our first term is 3, our second term is 7, and our third term is negative 5. Okay, now let's perform our synthetic division. Let's bring down our first term, 3. Okay, let's multiply our first term by our divisor. So 3 times 3, that is 9. Then let's add. So 7 plus 9, that is 16. Positive 16. Then let's multiply 16 and 3. That will give us 48. Okay? Then let's add negative 5 and 48. Negative 5 plus 48, that is positive 43. After applying synthetic division, let's identify what will be the variable of our leading term. Since we divided x squared by x, our leading terms, their quotient is x. Therefore, we will start with x, followed by our constant. Then, our last term, 43, will serve as our remainder. Okay? And let's write our final answer. So their quotient will be, let's copy 3x, our first term. Our second term is positive 16, which is a constant. Then let's add our remainder. So add our remainder. Our remainder is 43. And let's divide it by our divisor. So over our divisor, x minus 3. So that will be our final answer. 3x plus 16 plus 43 over x minus 3. Alright. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.